You guys selling stuff in here?
Yeah. It's really high quality pigeons.
You should try this hair dryer,
No.
even though they don't exist.
He's buying.
Well, I don't know if I want. I don't have one.
Hey,
I don't know if I
buy the pigeon.
No, just buy the hair
What
dryer.
do I need a pigeon for?
To fly.
Okay, I don't need your pigeon. What is this again?
It dries your hair after you take a shower.
We don't have.
Shower.
We don't have showers, and I
You
don't
can go
have much
swimming.
hair.
You can go swimming at the same time.
No, he wants the pigeon.
He wants the hair dryer.
Why would you want a hair dryer?
Because it can dry your hair.
You know, I'm the one trying to buy this stuff.
Hey,
You know,
buy the pigeon.
but I don't have a need for a pigeon.
4 cents.
Don't you guys have anything else? I don't have a need for a pigeon.
3
for
cents.
I
hair
have a
dryer.
chair.
I don't know what the chair would do me
You can
either.
sit in the chair.
You can sit on the chair with the pigeon.
I didn't make up a line for that one, but we'll roll with it. Again, I don't need. You guys have to. I don't know what I want to buy. I don't know if I even have to buy anything because you guys just like.
Well, you'll go to heaven and buy the pigeon.
But what if I want to go to heaven with the hairdryer?
Then
You can buy the hair dryer.
I don't need the hairdryer.
you need the pigeon.
I'm gonna wait for Jesus to get here and see what he says.
Anytime now.
What are you doing? This is my father's house and you guys are arguing? This is supposed to be a place of worship. You turned into a den of thieves. Stop this! Stop! This is not what you're doing.